What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I will show you how to boost your CPU performance and get the best speed out of your PC. It's quick, simple and easy to follow. So if you are a gamer, a video editor, or somebody who just wants a more responsive PC, this tutorial has got you covered. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, first of all, you go to your start button, you type power, look for power plan. Now, in this window, you look for change advanced power settings. So in the power options, you click on the drop down here. Now, in my PC, I have only balanced mode. But then in some PCs, depending on the PC you have, you might have ultra performance, high performance, and I think power saving. But make sure you choose one of these three. You choose either balance, high performance, or ultra performance. If you want the best out of your computer, stay away from power saving because it limits the CPU power in order to save battery. So yeah. And the next one, we go to processor management. Now, minimum processor state, you leave it this way on battery mode, and on maximum processor state on battery mode, and leave it 100% and plugged in. I left mine at 95 because I'm using a Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, which gets very hot. So I limited it to 95. But then if you are on any processor and you are not experiencing any overheating issue, I recommend you change this value to 100%. Yeah, so afterwards you click on apply and you click on OK. And finally, come to your task manager, you right click, go to task manager. Now look for start apps. Now in startups, you can see I have so many applications as my startups. Make sure you disable most of them because most of them are not needed. And these are applications you might not be using, but then they are running at the background, stressing the processor. So you have to disable it so that you free up some space on your processor so that your processor can have some breathing space to enable your computer function more responsibly. So first of all, this one, disable Chrome, or you can also right click and disable it. Dropbox, right click, disable. EA launcher, right click, disable. Epic Games, right click, disable. Especially this EA launcher and Epic Games usually take much resources. So I think if you're a gamer and you have it in your startups, I think it is advisable to disable them. And what else? MS Copilots, disable. MS Edge, it's already disabled, yeah. Spotify, disable. Steam, also a very demanding. WhatsApp, disable. So yeah, you can go through your startups and most of them must be disabled, but then I recommend you leave my Windows Defender on. It doesn't take much. And yeah, so just do these steps and thank me later. Your machine will feel so much responsive. And if you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel.